माननीय सदस्य श्री विशाल पाटिल जी।
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'd like to, through you, draw the attention of the House to an important matter regarding my constituency of Sangli, especially, and also the entire Western Maharashtra region, which has been affected by floods various times in the past few years, or few decades, 2005, 2019, and 2021. आज वापस वही स्थिति निर्माण हो रही है. The CWC has set clear guidelines on the dam levels in the two states, so especially the dam of Maharashtra, Koyna Dam, and the Almaty Dam of Karnataka. But the CWC norms are being flouted in both the states. I therefore request the government to intervene. I would have only 4 or 5 basic requirements from the government, that they should enforce the CWC guidelines in the Krishna river sub-basins. They should implement real-time monitoring of dam levels across both the states. This is Krishna, Koyna, and Panchganga rivers. Develop a comprehensive flood management plan. Invest in flood mitigation infrastructure and establish interstate coordination for synchronized water release. Ma'am, we've heard in the speech of the finance minister where she spoke about Assam also. I request that something should be done also for Western Maharashtra floods, because it's an important matter. Huge loss of lives, huge loss of cattle, livestock, and also huge loss of property. I really urge the government to intervene, get the two governments together and work on it. Thank you so much.
आवाज माणदेशाचा, माणदेशातील प्रत्येकाचा. माणदेश प्राईम सबस्क्राइब करा आणि अपडेट रहा. नवीन व्हिडिओच्या नोटिफिकेशनसाठी बेल आयकॉनचं बटन दाबा. धन्यवाद.